Welcome back to another episode of The Space, a mindfulness podcast for everyone. I'm Casey Donovan, together with our mindfulness expert, Amy Malloy. We're here to supercharge your week and help you to feel ready for whatever life throws at you. Today's episode is called Beep Beep Burnout. We're talking about notification fatigue. The impact of all those notifications on our emotions. You know it. You've felt it. You wake up in the middle of the night to a ping. You interrupt your work for a ping. One little buzz can cause anxiety or panic. Zzz. Let's talk about it on a deeper level. What's really driving the beep burnout we're feeling? Take a second to think about your own. Scott Belsky, the founder of Behance and CPO of Adobe, has an interesting take on the subject. In an article on Medium, he writes, "The most effective mobile notifications are finance-related, fear-related, or have some degree of FOMO. As he puts it, companies are playing games to get us to pay attention. Let's think about the first one. How many of your notifications are finance related? Your banking app, your crypto app, your invoicing app? How do you feel in your chest or in your belly when one of those sends you a message? What about the fear-related apps? For everyone, this will be different. It could be a news app, the app with the updates on your kid's school or their daycare, the beep which says you're a close contact of COVID. What about the notifications linked to FOMO? Social media is the obvious example. Every beep reminds us to stay in the group. Nobody wants to be left on the sidelines. The thing is, we do not need every notification on. Sure, you want to stay up to date. But all of those beeps are a bit of an assault on your system. Think about these three factors: finance, fear, and FOMO. What notifications could you switch off that fall into each of these areas? Fear, finance, FOMO. Even if you switched one app to silent, the difference could be surprising. This is our challenge for you this week. Switch it up and switch it off before you hit beep beep burnout. Nobody will notice you're less present on Instagram, and your nervous system is gonna thank you. Space out.